localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Blount County, north central Jefferson County, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arkadelphia, or 10 miles northeast of Cemadon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Warrior, Kimberly, Locust Fork, Trafford, Hayden, Nectar, County Line, Blount Springs, Bangor, Arkadelphia, Smoke Rise, Brimlap, Wickwood Caverns, and Partridge Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Blount and Jefferson,